Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, I can put into sine s squared to the power of 2. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine s squared equals to 1 minus cosine 2s over number 2. So I will put this one go in here. And now we need to expand. Next, I will put number 4 go outside. Next, we have the second formula. Cosine a squared equals to cosine 2a plus 1 over 2. This one we change for this one, and we have cosine 4s plus 1 over 2. And now this one we have 1 over 2 cosine 4s and 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 plus 1 we have 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. The integration of 3 over 2 we have 3 over 2s. The integration of cosine 2s we have 1 over 2 sine 2s. The next one, that is about 1 over 4 sine 4s. And I will put about c. This one, we simplify number 2. Number 2 and number 4, we have number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.